Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian Fetter of OptionPut.com with the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. None of this be construed as investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. And happy birthday to Andrew Giovinazzi. Today is his 30th birthday, and we're very proud of him. And we couldn't be prouder of his 30th birthday and all the fun that comes along with it. So let's talk about the markets here. As you can see, SPOO's up big again after a huge run up yesterday, and then another drop in vol. All right, so as you can see, VIX is in. All right, and SPX up big, RVX is in, although not nearly as much as some of the other indexes because that thing continues to move around. VVIX now approaching 100. All right, and you get all sorts of funness around it. Vol futures are getting thwacked. UVXY is back toward 10. Just been a massive move in UVXY. All the other little indexes, all the other little ETFs are up. Even the financials are doing okay, although they're still a little weak. You know, if there was an area to be worried about, it's that the XLF has been soft relative to the other ones. Getting a lot of strength out of the, surprising strength out of some of the ones that are more interest rate sensitive, and some of the materials and things like that. Things with dividends, things that are dollar sensitive, things that are interest rate sensitive are doing great. The financials are a little soft. I would like to see a little more out of them. Just an absolute thwacking of vol. I think they probably have gotten ahead of themselves. I mean, especially if you consider how strong the movement has been the last few days. You got to wonder, how much longer are these guys willing to, deal with 20% volatility, or 16 vol and keep the VIX down here at 17. I mean, it's just been a phenomenal move that we've seen. All right, now, 4th of July weekend is coming up. They're pricing that out for sure. All right, they're absolutely pricing that out. And then, we'll see where things go. I would be less than shocked if maybe vol gets a little bit of a bid. That's pretty spectacular, the way that all works out. European banks are off today. That's really, if you're wondering whether the crisis is over, keep an eye on European banks. If they are having problems, then the market's going to stay a little bit on tilt. I continue to think that we will see a little bit of a vol uptick, maybe after the 4th, but or maybe sooner. But people are willing to take a little bit of time to relax. And on the trading day, we're going to be looking at whether there's some more trades in UVXY. We did a gamma isolation trade yesterday that was an absolute home run. And then we're also going to play around with the banks and some of the stocks like that where we think there might be some edge. Aside from that, how about Nike down 5 in the morning, down $5 pre-market, now up on the day. Just goes to show you have to understand what the company says after the fact, not just what the company says. So incredible turnaround in Nike. Incredible turnaround. But yeah, again, Vol's probably a little oversold. I wouldn't be an interested seller here, other than from maybe buying puts or something like that. I would not be a future seller. I would want to do stuff that's protected, like put purchases, things along those lines. All right, folks. If you got questions, you can email me, marketoptionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good day, and I will talk to you soon.